In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Semrush. Whether you're diving into digital marketing or optimizing your web presence, setting up Semrush is a vital step. Let's walk through this process together in just 5 minutes, ensuring you're ready to leverage all the powerful tools Semrush has to offer. First things first, you're going to want to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you regularly use. Once your browser is open, move to the search bar and simply type in Semrush. You'll see several search results, but for convenience and security, click on the official Semrush website, which should be among the top results. As you arrive on the Semrush homepage, look for the options prompting you to try for free or start your free trial. These options are usually prominently featured on the homepage, making them easy for you to find. Clicking on one of these options will guide you to the sign-up page. Here, you'll be asked to enter your email address and create a secure password. Alternatively, you can also choose to sign up using your Google account, which might save you a little time if you're already logged in. Remember to choose a password that's both strong and memorable, as you'll be using it to access your Semrush account regularly. After entering your details, there's a step to activate your free trial, which involves inputting your credit card information. Don't worry, Semrush will only perform a $1 authorization charge to verify your card, and this charge will be refunded back to you, so no need to be concerned about unexpected costs or charges. Once your account setup is complete and your card details have been verified, you're all set to explore Semrush. With your account now active, you can access the free version of Semrush and start navigating its diverse features. From keyword research to competitive analysis, you'll find a range of tools at your fingertips designed to bolster your digital marketing strategy. As you begin your journey with Semrush, take some time to explore its different features and resources. Semrush offers tutorials and guides to help you get acquainted with its functions and maximize your usage. Remember, getting familiar with all these tools might take some time, so don't hesitate to refer back to these resources as you become more comfortable with the platform. In just these few steps, you've set up your Semrush account and begun a new chapter in enhancing your digital marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.